Hello, everybody. In this episode we will learn about creating and dropping tables, and main DML operations, select, insert, update, delete. Do not forget to run PostgreSQL server locally. If you don't know how to do it, return to the first episode. You can create a new table by specifying the table name, along with all column names and their types. Double dashes signal that a comment follows. Let's create a table of employees, in which we have an identifier, name, position and department. The identifier has an integer data type, all other fields, varchar or string. We will consider data types in the following episodes. Let's check that everything is working using the data selection command. It should be mentioned that if you don't need a table any longer or want to recreate it differently, you can remove it using the following command. Drop table. Now when we try to select data, a message in the console tells us that no such table exists. But it seems Cyrillic to us now. Let's change that by setting the message locale. The insert statement is used to populate a table with rows. The insert can be made in several ways. The first, using the value option, the second, select option. Let's check that the data has been added to the table. But at the end, do not forget to execute the commit command so that the data is preserved after closing the session. Some SQL clients may have auto-commit enabled. You could also have used copy to load large amounts of data from flat text files. This is usually faster because the copy command is optimized for this application while allowing less flexibility than insert. Let's see how it works. We are already familiar with the select command, the selection of data from the table. Now let's analyze in more detail. Before that, we used an asterisk as a selection of all available columns in the table. We can also select the columns that interest us. Let's choose an identifier and a name. In the selection, we can prescribe the selection conditions. That is, we will select only those rows with identifier levels 3 and 4. Or we will select all employees from the IT department. You can update existing rows using the update command. For example, let's change the name of the IT department. rows can be removed from a table using the delete command. Let's imagine that the employee under identifier 4, that is, our cook, quit, or got into the wrong company due to his position. Remove it from our database. Let's check using the order sorting command. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.